You know that moment when your cat finally decides you're worthy after ignoring you all day like you're a random roommate, and then suddenly it curls up next to you, warm, heavy, purring, and the entire world just goes silent? Your breathing slows, your brain stops scanning for danger, and for the first time since you woke up, you actually feel calm. If you know exactly what I'm talking about, this video is going to make you feel deeply understood. Let me ask you something. When your cat knocks your coffee off the counter, makes direct eye contact, and walks away like it just committed a crime with zero regret, do you get angry or do you secretly admire the confidence? If you chose option 2, welcome. You're not just a cat person. Your nervous system is built differently. Here's what people don't realize. It's not about personality, it's about regulation. Some people regulate through energy, stimulation, feedback. They feel safe when life is loud and interactive. Dogs match that perfectly. They initiate, they mirror emotions, they keep your nervous system moving. But others regulate through stillness, predictability, low-pressure environments. And for those nervous systems, dogs can feel like emotional cardio. Cats don't demand. They don't chase your attention. They simply exist nearby and invite you into calm. For people who spend most of the day overthinking, self-monitoring, anticipating, that is everything. Cats offer connection without negotiation. Human relationships can be heavy. Reply fast, explain feelings, match energy, reassure, perform. Even love comes with pressure. But a cat doesn't assume access to you. Its affection is offered, not forced. When it chooses your lap, it doesn't want conversation, emotional labor, or constant validation. That's why cat people aren't avoiding intimacy, they're avoiding pressure. Now let's talk about the real magic, the purr. A cat's purr vibrates at low rhythmic frequencies, and your nervous system responds before your mind even catches up. Breathing slows, muscles soften, stress drops. It's comfort without intrusion, sound that fills the room without hijacking it. And yes, research suggests cat lovers tend to score higher on openness and cognition, but we also score higher on neuroticism. So basically, we're anxious thinkers with fluffy therapists. Cats protect what intelligence needs most: quiet. And in a world addicted to noise, choosing quiet is revolutionary. So if you love cats, you're not cold, you're sensitive, you're wired for subtle connection, presence without pressure. Your cat didn't just choose you, your body chose your cat. If this hit home, subscribe and comment. Are you a cat person, or was your nervous system recruited?